Get ready. Start. In view of the aforesaid statement of law, the setting aside of the award by the learned single judge, which is affirmed by the division bench, is vitiated in law, as the same is contrary to the judgments of this court referred to supra, upon which the learned counsel for the appellant has rightly placed reliance in support of the correctness of the finding recorded by the Labour Court on the various issues, particularly the finding of fact that the workman has worked for more than 240 days in a calendar year, and termination order is void ab initio in law for non-compliance of sections 25F, clause A and B, 25G and 25H of the Act, therefore, the Industrial Tribunal cum Labour Court has rightly set aside the order of termination of services of the workman and awarded the order of reinstatement with the continuity of service and full back wages. Stop para. The said relief in favor of the appellant workman, particularly the full back wages, is supported by the legal principles laid down by this court in the case of Dipali Gundu Sarvase versus Kranti Junior Adhyapak Mahavidyalaya and others, wherein the division bench of this court, to which one of us was a member, after considering 3-judge bench decision, has held that if the order of termination is void ab initio, the workman is entitled to full back wages. Stop. The relevant para of the decision is extracted hereunder. The very idea of restoring an employee to the position which he held before dismissal or removal or termination of service implies that the employee will be put in the same position in which he would have been put for the illegal action taken by the employer. Stop para. The injury suffered by a person, who is dismissed or removed or is otherwise terminated from service cannot easily be measured in terms of money. Stop. With the passing of an order which has the effect of severing the employer-employee relationship, the latter's source of income gets dried up. Stop. Not only the concerned employee, but his entire family suffers grave adversities. Stop. They are deprived of the source of sustenance. Stop. The children are deprived of nutritious food and all opportunities of education and advancement in life. Stop. At times, the family has to borrow from the relatives and other acquaintances to avoid starvation. Stop para. These sufferings continue till the competent adjudicatory forum decides on the legality of the action taken by the employer. Stop. The reinstatement of such an employee, which is preceded by a finding of the competent judicial / quasi judicial body or court that the action taken by the employer is ultra vires the relevant statutory provisions or the principles of natural justice, entitles the employee to claim full back wages. Stop. If the employer wants to deny back wages to the employee or contest his entitlement to get consequential benefits, then it is for him/her to specifically plead and prove that during the intervening period the employee was gainfully employed and was getting the same emoluments. Stop over.